Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, running hospitals efficiently requires software that's reliable, secure, and all-encompassing. Epic Systems is one of the biggest names in healthcare IT. Let's break it down. Epic Systems provides electronic health records, patient management, and operational tools all in one platform. It helps hospitals track patient care, streamline workflows, and maintain compliance with privacy and safety standards. Its integrations across departments and real-time data insights improve efficiency, reduce errors, and help healthcare teams make informed decisions quickly. Epic Systems keeps hospitals running smoothly while improving patient care and operational efficiency. If you want robust healthcare software that manages everything from patient records to operations in 2025, Epic Systems delivers control, efficiency, and reliability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.